But as you can see with the original screw bar, over time it starts to rust and the paint starts to fall off. So let's upgrade it to a better one. First, let's take off the front panel. So remove these. Remove these two screws. Now we'll take out these two. There are also two screws on the bottom, which you have to use a screwdriver to push the middle and then pull the screw out. They are plastic screws. Okay, and in order to remove the stuff on the handlebar, I have to take off the brake pump, the buttons, and the grips, and the dashboard. So first, in order to take off the braking pump, you can just loosen this one. So these handlebars are a bit different than original, but the principle is about the same. The handlebar opens up like this, so if you just remove the screw that secures it up and down, then you'll be able. And now this handlebar, you just have to pull it out. Now once you have the right handlebar open, you can see this slides off. And this is the throttle. Now to remove the dashboard, see it's basically secured by 3 screws and 3 nuts. So if you just remove these nuts, then the dashboard will come off. Now, time to remove the handlebar. As you can see, it's secured here with 1 screw or bolt and 1 on the back. So let's take this one off. And this bolt is a 14mm. So first you want to install this base. So you secure it with 4 screws onto this part. Next you put these 2 screws in here to secure the handlebar. Then you put the handlebar in and put the top cover on. Now we also install these upgraded mirrors. These have a blue tint, but you can also get a version with pink or just normal transparent. These mirrors are also concave so that you will have a wider view. And also they have multiple angles to adjust. So you can see here's one, here's another angle, and the base is also different. This will provide you better vision compared to the original mirrors. Here's a original mirror, and as you can see, there's only 1 point of adjustment, and the mirror is not concave.
If you would like to buy this handlebar or any other variations of handlebars in different colors, you can visit eschoolparts.com. We have worldwide shipping available and many other accessories.